Wherever there is a need to hold, position, place, or organize, you will find jigs and fixtures. They are used by nearly all industries: aerospace, automotive, consumer products, medical devices, and healthcare, just to name a few. Within a company, you will find them in research and development, manufacturing and assembly, inventory control, quality control, and transportation. We'll walk you through a few of those departments. Tools that once were traditionally fabricated out of wood, plastic, and metal, either with hand tools or machine tools, are being made with FDM. By simply substituting FDM for traditional processes, companies are producing jigs and fixtures faster and at a lower cost, and they're making far more of them because of the ease and efficiency. Before launching a new product, extensive research, development, and testing are performed, and FDM jigs and fixtures are there to help. From fluid line mounting fixtures to gauge mounting fixtures, check gauges, and fan testing rigs. Need to test a light bulb or specialized hardware? FDM can make a fixture for that too. The durable FDM plastics are perfect for your life cycle testing: fans, keypads, vacuum cleaners, and many other products. When testing reveals a need for a change, simply 3D print another FDM jig or fixture for the next go-around. On the production floor, FDM jigs and fixtures make work easier and safer, and companies that use FDM find that they have more of them than ever, since they are so easy and inexpensive to make. Make a masking tool for conformal coating electronics and cut out manually taping each printed circuit board. Or build a dispenser for factory floor labels. For assembly operations, use FDM for nesting assembly fixtures, rivet guides, or assembly guides. Need a one-of-a-kind tool? You can easily produce that too. According to 5S principles, a neat and orderly work area increases efficiency. Make custom tool holders so that everything has a place. And to move product around the shop, FDM is a great option for transportation racks, bins, and fixtures. Have a robot? You could machine the end-of-arm tooling, but a better option is to make them with FDM. And for a safe workplace, use FDM to make customized guards for all your manufacturing processes. Look around any shop and you will see countless opportunities to improve operations with FDM jigs and fixtures. Quality assurance requires accurate, repeatable holding and positioning to validate products, and once again, they turn to FDM. For coordinate measuring machines, CMMs, FDM fixtures place parts for programming and final part inspections. Without FDM, the inspection lab may resort to painstakingly setting up a fixture each time a part is measured. But once they have an FDM system, they can produce custom fixtures for any shape, even those difficult to hold. Before production parts arrive on the dock, CMMs are programmed using FDM parts and fixtures, so that when production parts do arrive, CMM inspection is completed very quickly. And 5S isn't just for the production floor. In the lab, use FDM organizers for all the measurement tools and gauges. From R&D through inspection, FDM is the tool to make work more efficient with jigs and fixtures.